Hello friends. So today let's solve CAT 2025 Slot 1 quantitative ability questions. Okay. So we'll be solving the questions one by one. Okay. So let's start. Now you see, the length of a side of a rhombus is 36 centimeter and the area of the rhombus is 396 square centimeter. Then absolute value of the difference between the lengths in centimeter of the diagonals of the rhombus. Okay, so let's see, the rhombus is like this. Let's say we have to find the absolute value of the difference in the length of the rhombus. So let me do one thing. Let the longer diagonal, let's say is twice A, and the shorter I can take twice B. So I'm saying, let's say the longer diagonal I'm taking 2A, right? Okay, so this is 2A and the shorter one I'm taking 2B. Right? We know that diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular to each other. This is 90 degree. Now what we have to find is, we have to find the absolute difference between the lengths of the diagonals, right? Now longest I have taken 2A. So I have to find 2A minus 2B. Basically we have to find 2 times A minus B. Okay. This is positive as I have taken the longer one as A. Now what we are given at? We are given that each side is 36. And the area is given at 396. What is the area of a rhombus? Area is half D1, D2, where D1 and D2 are the diagonals, half product of the diagonals. So half, one diagonal is 2A, one is 2B, and this is given as 396. So from here, I can cancel 1, 2. So we got 2AB as 396. I'm just skipping like this. I'm not cancelling 2 because we have to find A minus B and we may need that 2AB, right? Now, this length of each side is 36. Right now, we can use the Pythagoras theorem here. So, we know that A square plus B square from this triangle, A square plus B square equal to 36 square, right? 36 square and 36 square is 1296. Now, we know that we have to find the value of A minus B, then only we can get the answer, right? Now, we got 2AB, we got A square plus B square. You can easily find the value of A minus B. So, let's do one thing. What is A minus B the whole square? A minus B whole square, right? Okay, I'll write it properly. So, A minus B the whole square, right? So, A minus B the whole square. Now, here. So, A minus B the whole square. A minus B the whole square, we know that's A plus B the whole square. A plus B the whole square, right? Or we can say, we have the A square plus B square. So, we can easily use that A square plus B square only. So, what we can do is A minus B the whole square. Simply we can write it as A square plus B square and minus 2AB. And you see that we know the A square plus B square, that is 1296. And we also have 2AB, right? That is 396. So if you subtract, it will be 900, right? So A minus B whole square is 900 and A is more than B. So we can say A minus B equals to square root of 900, which will be 30. So we got the value of A minus B is 30. So this will be 2 into 30. So answer is 60 centimeter. So answer is 60 for this. Okay. I hope this is clear to you. Okay.